Rewarded Play bank account linking problems are usually caused by connection errors, incorrect account details, or issues with the payment setup process. By the end, you'll know how to check your bank connection, fix common linking problems, and what information to prepare if you need Rewarded Play support. Section 1 is checking the account connection details. Start by opening the Rewarded Play app and reviewing the payment settings where your bank account information is connected. Confirm that the account information you entered matches your bank details. A small mistake in account information can prevent the connection from completing. Check that you are using the correct bank account and that the payment information belongs to you. Using outdated or incorrect details can cause the linking process to fail. If the app shows an error while connecting, close the app completely and reopen it. Then try the connection process again. Section 2 is checking app and device issues. A bank linking problem can happen when the app does not have a stable connection, or when the app needs an update. Check your internet connection before trying again. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help identify whether the problem is related to your connection. Also check that you are using the latest version of the Rewarded Play app. Updating the app can fix problems caused by older versions. If the problem continues, restart your phone and try linking the account again. Avoid entering your bank information repeatedly if the same error appears. Repeated failed attempts can make troubleshooting harder because there may be multiple incomplete connection attempts. Section 3 is contacting support with the right information. If your bank account still will not link, contact Rewarded Play support and include the details needed to review the issue. Provide your account information, the device you are using, the error message you see, and screenshots of the problem. A clear support request helps the support team understand where the connection process is failing. Before contacting support, confirm that your Rewarded Play account information is correct and that you have access to the bank account you are trying to connect. The key points are simple. Check your bank details, troubleshoot the app connection, and send clear information if support needs to investigate. Your next step is to open Rewarded Play, review your payment settings, and retrieve the bank connection after checking your account details. If this guide helped you fix a Rewarded Play bank linking issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.